whenever nonprofit fundraising, donor engagement, and managing everything with a limited time and resources, so that's where the AI automation come in to help. By the end of this session, you will see how AI using AI and automation can save time, bring in more donations, and make a bigger impact. So let's move in. So here is conversation AI. So today we'll talk about how conversation AI can make it easier for nonprofits to connect with donors, answer their questions, and build a stronger relationship, just like having a smart assistant available 24/7. So let's see a demo how conversation AI is working. So here I have integrated the conversation AI with a chat widget in this website. So this conversation AI will work and respond according to the knowledge base what I have given to it. And also you can crawl any website data from maybe you have a website and you can crawl your website data to this to feed this conversation AI. So it will respond accordingly, and it will respond according to non-profit perspective. Also, it will book appointment automatically. So it will just take your information, your name, email, and after that it will just verify what is your preferable time and the available slot, and after that it will book the appointment automatically. So let's see how it will work. So let's start with a simple question. So you can see it's giving us the relatable answers. Basically, the answers I have feeded in the knowledge base. So as you can see, it's responding pretty much well. So now just have a look how it works when it comes to booking an appointment. So it's asking my name. So you can also change the response time. So I have given 2 seconds. So you can adjust according to your needed. So you can see the calendar I have integrated with this conversation AI. It's available slots it's given me so that I can choose from here. So let's choose one. So you can see, so this appointment is your appointment is already booked. So that's how this conversation AI can work. So isn't it so cool? So that's how conversation AI will work. So let me just show you how you can modify your conversation AI, the agent. So here I have given the prompt, basically whatever I needed. Like I want my bot to respond according to my knowledge base, And also I needed the information of the lead, the name, email, and stuff. So that's how I have given the instruction here in the prompt section. And also there is a cool feature like you can set up these actions like appointment booking, or you can, if you want, you can trigger a workflow or add a contact info, whatever you want basically. You can just set it up here. And in the bot settings, so I have make it in autopilot mode. And also I have just support channel, I have just given the live chat, but you can also choose the Instagram, Facebook, SMS, and WhatsApp, and whatever you want, and you can basically choose all of them. So there's no issue. And yeah, here I was saying that response time. So the response time you can choose like whatever you want according to your preferences. And yeah, this is it. So that's how the bot will work. And your 24/7 agent will be ready. So now you won't miss any of your lead. That's how lead slip work, conversation AI work. So let's go to the slide again. So another cool feature of boosting the donation with lead slip smart form. So we will also look at how AI-powered donation forms can make the giving process simpler and more engaging, helping the nonprofits raise more funds with less effort. So let's see how the form is working. So this is the form basically. So it's created with lead slip. So whenever anyone want to donate something, maybe as you can choose the participate who is donating, like as volunteer, donor, or sponsor. You can distinguish that. And also you can also pay, choose the payment method like cash, PayPal, or Stripe, whatever you want. So there is the payment method, uh, payment amounts here we can put. So you can customize as you want, like $25, $50. So we have just put in with our preference, but you can choose anything you want. And also you can enter another amount if you don't choose this one. So that's how really simple to collect the donation also. So if you want to make the payment with PayPal. So just make sure that your sublocation have the PayPal integration. Or if you want to make the Stripe payment method, so make sure the Stripe is connected with your sublocation. And that's it. So after that you can collect the donations from your donor. So that's how the form is working. And it's pretty simple to use. So that's how Let's Lift is working with this helping these non-profits organizations.
So in AI automation workflow, we can like smart segmentize and target the customers. So like when a participant fills out an event form, they choose like their categories. Suppose say they are a volunteer or donor or sponsor. So we can basically categorize them. And so just I'll show a short demo based on that. So yeah, coming to this form, so I have filled it with my name. This is my email. So I'm selecting as a donor and I've used a US phone number. And I preferred contact method as email. I'll choose cash as the preferred payment method. And then I'll press donate to help. Yeah, this is the thank you page. So coming to back to email section. So this is the follow-up mail when someone registers on the form. So I had registered as a donor. So see, this is a email template created in the lead slip. It says thank you for your donation and it shows the time and the address. So this so coming to the AI automation part, this is the automation created for the form submission. So we have selected these forms here, BSP fund event, and we have also set a particular time. So this for demo purpose, we have kept it as on 30th of March, 10 a.m. And then we have categorized it based on the selection part. Like suppose he wants to be a volunteer or he wants to be the donor or he wants to be the sponsor. So these are like conditions in the automation workflow. So they categorize it as per this three things. So next is we have used tags like for all the contacts which the form is registered on, it will show in the lead slip. So you can see all the contacts who register on the form will show, and they are like categorized based on if they are volunteer. So we have used tags for that, donor or even sponsor. And also we have created opportunities for all these three categories. So again, coming to the presentation, so automated follow-ups just as shown in the demo, dynamic pipeline management and event and donation reminders. So coming back to the automation workflow, after the tag section, we have created a automation pipeline. So for volunteer, I have created a separate. So volunteer pipeline, in that there is a registered stage with this contact name as opportunity name. This is for the volunteer part. Same way I have created for the sponsor part, a separate pipeline in the registration. So when someone registers, it will show in the opportunities. So this is just loading. Okay. So this is the volunteer pipeline part. So these are like different stages when the customers move in the automation workflow. So when they register, they are shown here, and when then we have the confirmation mail and SMS. So this is their first stage. So next is the wait 3 days before. So volunteers have to get back together and like uh, communicate with other volunteers and decide for the event in advance. So I kept like before 3 days of the event. So they get a reminder email and SMS 3 days before. Also, the opportunity stage is changed here. So the volunteer pipeline, it is moved to pre-event reminder. So you can see it will move all to this stage. So when the event is taking place, it will move to this stage and then the event follow up. So like this, it will flow. So same way for donor flow, I have created these pipeline stages and they will also move similar. Like when the pre-event reminder, when they reach in the workflow. Here you can see for the sponsor and donor, these are the stages. So donor registers and the email is sent 1 day before just to remind him that tomorrow we are having an event. So again 1 hour before we send reminders like this, only SMS is sent step. So this is fully customizable as per the organization wants. Then again coming to at last after the reminder stage, we have the event check-in stage. So we just cross check like if the people visited the event or not. And after the event, we have the follow-up stage to send email, SMS for review of the event to take reviews. So these are email and SMS is for that. So like this, we can have various automations as per requirement. These are fully customizable. So everything is seen through the pipeline stages when the contacts move from here and there. And also it shows the lead value. Like here I have used 200, $500. Next is the sponsor stage. You can see here I've used $1,000, $700. So like it will show the total value. And coming to the presentation again, slides. Next we have the AI based dashboard analytics and pipeline management. So has just shown those were the pipeline stages covered, and we also have the dashboard analytics. So coming to that, this is a dashboard based on the different stages and value opportunity values. So you can see like the as per the context value, total value it shows here, and also as per the pipeline you can see the total of this donor registered value and pre-event reminders. So there are these different funnels, you can just click and check the total values here. For volunteers it will be zero because they are volunteers, and this is the sponsors. So yeah, stage distribution. So in dashboard we can see the different lead source report also, and here comes the tag based. So we can see the total tags used, and they are like categorized into like 5 contacts for donor tag, and 2 for sponsor and 2 for volunteer. So this shows the total tags used by contacts. And here I have also created a contact list based on their category. So sponsor contact list is easy to find from here. So if someone is the event organizer, they will want to see all contact list together. And the volunteer contact list is created here. Also donor contact list. So in the dashboard, you can fully customize as per your requirement. Again, coming to the slides, we can also track financial contribution analysis as shown in the dashboard. Then we have the call performance tracking. So coming to that, in another location, we have used call performance tracking. So this shows like for 1 month, it shows like total outgoing calls by status. So total answered, missed, busy, answered, busy, missed. Also contact by tag counts. So this is fully customizable, and it shows like on particular date how many contacts have used this tag. Like someone who calls the contact, and if they missed it, or like if this is call is answered, they put a tag like call answered, or if it is not answered, they put these tags. So you can see the total analytics on the dashboard. These are the not available ones tag, or not interested is here. So yeah, it is fully customizable again. Coming to this, so this was the AI driven dashboard and pipeline management. So next is the leveraging social planner and community features for non-profit organization. So in Lead Sleep, we like have a centralized social media management. So again, coming to that, when we go in the marketing section, we can see like we can connect different social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. Also, the communities can be connected. So in Lead Sleep, we also have a community feature. So we can create communities like this. So for one client, we had created this community, open global. In that, you can see like the members total. The learning for learning part, we can create different courses. So these are like communities like the school community if you all ever interacted in that. So here the interaction take place between different members. Someone posts, someone comments, and you can see the total members to posts invite. Also, we can chat with different members after we select them. Here you can see. We have the leaderboard. So as per the different interactions, this level increases. And we also have the event planner. So the admin of the community post of event on particular date for the organization. Here we have an event posted, old event you can see. It was on 13th February, so it's posted like this, and the community members can just register for the event and join. So this helps the non-profit organization like to interact with each other. Also the volunteers, also the sponsors, donors. We can create separate groups. Also coming again to the social planner part, we can have like connected this community with the social planner, so we can like create a post from the lead slip directly. Also we can like schedule the post, select a social account. For now I've only connected this community, so if I connect my other social media like Facebook, Insta, it will show here. And then we can create a post and put pics or videos, and then we can put a post. So we can also schedule this post on a particular date. So these are the features. Again, coming to the slide, has seen centralized social media management, enhanced community engagement, or automated content scheduling, comprehensive analytics and insight. So yeah, analytics and insight you can see here. So we can see total interactions with the post, number of posts, total likes. So this was it for this slide. So coming to the next slide, we have the voice AI for enhancing non-profit operations. So coming to the voice AI part, in another account, I have created this non-profit agent. So for we have used demo name non-profit organization, and we have used this mark voice. So currently only inbound calls can be used. Outbound will be coming soon. So I'll just give my contact number. So I'll just call on my phone and check. So I've trained this on using a prompt and based on the organization data again. So I've used the name John as a virtual assistant for non-profit organization and given this prompt. So I'll just try again. So it's calling on my phone number. I'll just pick. Hello.
Reed Johnson nonprofit organization. How can I help you today?
I wanted to know the upcoming event details.
Sure thing. Community Hope fundraising event is happening on Saturday, March 30th at 10 a.m. It'll be held at the Community Center Hall located at 1234 Main Street, Springfield. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yeah, I would like to donate for the event.
Wonderful to hear. You can donate through our website at www.nonprofitorg.com/donate. Could I have your name and email address so we can keep you updated?
Yeah, so my name is Jans and my email ID is jans@gmail.com.
Thanks, Dan. Let's confirm the email is dan@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah,
Are you interested in contributing as a donor or sponsor for the event?
yeah, I would like to be a donor for the event.
Thank you for your generosity, Dan. Let's connect you with our fundraising team to discuss contribution options. Just to confirm, I have your name as Dan, your email is dans@gmail.com, and you're interested in contributing as a donor. Is that correct?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, Dan. Thank you for your support. We truly appreciate your interest in the Community Hope fundraising event. The
Yeah.
team member will follow up with more details.
Okay, thank you. So has seen, I'm not sure if you all heard, but the voice AI was interacting with me. So this is very helpful for organization for 24/7 availability. So to pick up calls and all from customers. And also you get after a call, you get the transcript, the recording. So the event organizer can check if someone calls. And I have also triggered a workflow. So this such that like after every call it will send an SMS to book and register or to donate for the event as per the query. So it will automatically send this email and SMS. And the contact is also saved on lead slip. So again, coming to the presentation, event and fundraiser information is collected. Appointment booking is done also using the voice AI, lead qualification and data collection, 24/7 availability as seen in the demo. So these are the features of voice AI.